Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make steak well done, only way. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees F and heat a heavy skillet until smoking hot. Pat the steak dry, season it well, and sear both sides for 2 minutes each to lock in flavor. Finish the steak in the oven until it reaches 160 degrees F internal temperature, then rest 5 to 7 minutes before slicing and serving. Searing creates a deep crust that keeps the interior juicy even when cooked well done. Use a high smoke point oil and a very hot pan to get that quick brown crust. After searing, move the steak into a 400 degrees F oven and monitor the internal temperature until it hits 160 degrees F. Resting the steak 5 to 7 minutes lets juices redistribute so the meat stays tender and flavorful. An instant read thermometer is your best friend for consistent results and confident timing. Resting is not optional. It concentrates juices and improves texture even when fully cooked. Slice against the grain to shorten muscle fibers and make each bite easier to chew. Serve promptly with a pat of butter or a squeeze of lemon to add moisture and brighten flavors for a satisfying, well-done steak experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.